get this thing up here, because if you press it, then that means you get a kind of a thingy here. That's good. Oh, I got a Hot Wheels car. That's cool. I got Futurismo. No, I need a 27, not 24. I think I need 3 more than 27. But I don't have a 3. Is there another way we can make 3? Well, take away this 1 here, and that gives us 23. We add this back and this, and then that gives us 26. But we need 27. Let's see. But we don't need that. We need this. I got a fish. No need 25, so we got 20. Minus a 7. And then we need 25. So all we have to do is add another 5. Here's the biggest number I've seen in this thing. I've seen 29. So I got 25, and all we need to do is just add 1 more. And that second boat took everything away. I got